Hi guys, I want to talk about one recipe that I have done lately, which I am absolutely obsessed with because it's healthy. It's a banana pulp bread with some pecans and peanut butter. This is delicious. This you could do while you're cooking, while you're doing other things. I always try to get as many things possible with the pulp and turn it into something that you can use because of the fiber. That fiber, it is so good for you. When it comes to making this, you're gonna get a bowl and you're gonna add half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You're gonna get a banana and mash it, mix it into that bowl. You're gonna get 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup with 1/3 of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a dash of salt, and 1 cup to 1.5 cups of pulp. Then you're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then on top, you're gonna go ahead and get a banana, add peanut butter if you are a peanut butter lover like me. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna continue adding more recipes with pulp.